Welcome to Crucial Minds. Today we're diving into powerful homonyms to upgrade your English instantly. Let's jump in. Homonyms are words that have the same spelling or same pronunciation but different meanings. They include two types: homographs, homophones. Can you guess the homonym? Light. Find out the homonym. Right. Spot the homonym used here. Watch. Figure out the homonym. Match. Identify the homonym. Seal. Can you guess the homonym? Toast. Pick out the homonym. Date. Discover the homonym here. Rock. Can you guess the homonym? Bank. Find the hidden homonym. Bat. Can you identify the homonym? Bark. Hunt for the homonym. Spring. Discover the homonym here. Cap. Find the hidden homonym. Well. Can you identify the homonym? Jam. Recognize the homonym used. Palm. Can you guess the homonym? Park. Find out the homonym. Duck. Spot the homonym used here. Tap. Figure out the homonym. Ring. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe.